Dear friends, today's topic is how to find the last column in Microsoft Excel sheet. Let us go to Excel. Now, let me change that heading. The topic is how to find the last column in Microsoft Excel. Actually, it's a shortcut method to find out or use in Microsoft Excel sheet, right? Similar to finding the shortcut to find the last row, you can easily find the last column. So this is the first row. Now this is the first column. You assume that A is the first row, first column. So that particular spot is called the first column, right? Then we need to find the last column. Okay, so normally we scroll it, we move the button and then go to the next column. Now, but it is not unlimited, it is limited. So this is the last column. We can go to this last column by pressing Ctrl and End button. Okay, again if you click Ctrl and Home button, we can go to the first column. Okay, again if you press Ctrl and End button, you will go to the last column. Vice versa I can do. When you move the cursor like this, it's quite difficult, right? So we can avoid this difficulty by using shortcut, that is Ctrl and End. Okay, so now Ctrl and Home. So Ctrl Home, Ctrl End. So this is the process how to find the last column in Microsoft Excel sheet, right?